Hi, you're watching Signpost Art with Emy, and today you get to learn how to draw a penguin. Later in this video, I'm teaching my little sister Katie how to draw a penguin too. Stay tuned. The colors you will need to draw your penguin will be black, purple, yellow, and pink. Let's get started. First, you take your black crayon and draw a long letter U in the middle of your paper. All right, the next step for our penguin will be 2 curvy lines to make the neck. The next step for our penguin is the head, so we're going to do an upside down U from our curvy line to the next curvy line. The next step is to put an oval inside the penguin to make its tummy. The next step to our penguin is flippers. You're going to do 2 ovals about where the curve starts. The next step is his little feet. So 2 half circles on the bottom. I broke my crayon. Alright, I'm gonna color with half of it. Alright, the next step to our penguin are the eyes. So we're going to do 2 lines. And then a curvy line to connect it. So it'll look like a half circle. The next step for the eyes is to put a line on the inside and then 2 circles on the inside of that. For her eyelashes, we are going to do 2 curvy lines. Perfect. The next step to our penguin is the beak. We're going to do a sideways triangle right in between the eyes. The next step to our penguin is the bow. You're going to draw a square up by her head and then 2 diagonal lines going out. Then 1 line going down to connect them to make it a bow. Now we get to color it in. I'm going to do my penguin purple. I colored the beak and the feet yellow. Now I'm going to color my bow pink. The last step to our penguin is coloring the eyes black. Just don't color in the circles. So cute. I'm going to use a glue stick and some fine white glitter and glitter the tummy of my penguin. All right. Glitter. I finished it! Look at the beautiful purple penguin with the sparkly tummy. So pretty! Stay tuned for Katie's turn. This is my little sister Katie.
I'm 6 years old. Hey, Emmy, I want to draw a penguin like yours. Can you help me?
Sure I can. If you're younger like Katie, your drawing would look different. If you're older like me, your drawing would look more like this. Let's get started. All right, Katie, the first step to our penguin is using our black crayon and drawing the letter U in the middle of our paper.
Oh boy.
All right. That's perfect. Good job. All right, the next step are two little loopy lines.
Can you help me?
All right, you follow my finger with your color crayon.
Okay.
Ready? Good. That's good. All right, now he has a neck. The next step to our penguin is a upside down letter U. That's perfect. Good job, Katie.
Thank you, Emmy.
All right, now we're gonna do the tummy, the oval inside of the penguin. That's perfect. All right, now we're moving on to the flippers. You're doing ovals right where the curve is.
Two little ovals.
Good job. Now we're doing his little feet. Two half circles at the bottom of the penguin. That is so cute. All right, moving on to the eyes. Still using my black crayon. You're going to do two lines right there to make the eyes. Now we're going to do a curvy line over to make a half circle. Beautiful. And then a line inside of the eye. Here we go. And two circles inside of the bigger square. Now you can color that in, just don't color the circles in. All right, now since Katie is drawing the boy penguin, she's gonna put eyebrows right there and there. Perfect. Ooh, he's cool. All right, now we're moving on to the beak. You're doing a sideways triangle, and then below that, a little sideways triangle. Since the girl penguin has a bow in her hair, the boy penguin's gonna have a bow tie. There's gonna be a square to make the center. So right there, a square. And rectangles next to it. And on the other side, that is really cute. Adorable. All right, now we're gonna color it in.
I'm gonna color my penguin in blue.
job staying inside the lines, Katie. You're really good at coloring.
Thank you, Mommy.
He's so cute.
I kind of outlined it first and then
Katie, the more you practice, the better you get. We switched our favorite colors. My favorite color is blue.
my favorite color is purple.
And I colored my penguin purple.
And I'm coloring my penguin blue.
How often do you color, Katie?
I color a lot.
He's so cute.
And this?
Alright, are you gonna do the beak and the feet?
Yep.
Alright.
We are going to color the beak and feet yellow.
Oh, he looks even cuter when his beak and his feet are colored in. Alright, the last step.
The bow tie will be green.
Oh, that is so cute.
So let's make the center
Yeah,
black.
I do.
I think I'm gonna use green.
Let's show all those 6, 7, and 8-year-olds how you did.
The penguin is finished.
They're so cute. My penguin's purple,
My penguin's blue.
my bow is pink,
And my bow is green.
and both of our penguins have a yellow beak and yellow feet.
Uh-huh.
We'd like to see your drawings of penguins. Be sure to mail them to our address on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out some of our other videos on how to draw animals. Bye! Subscribe, Signpost Kids! For more of our awesome videos, click here, here,